Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model VE2150-Q in color code 1002/87. It's a black gold color frame. On the temples it has a gold Medusa logo, as well as this side. This is the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray color and has 100% UV protection. It also has a removable leather gold Medusa logo. Up here we have a Versace gift box, case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.